G'day. So I'm the dude behind the camera that does these repairs and stuff like that. We've come to a turning point here where it's either one of three things. Either wreck the car, sell it off for parts. 2, get a long engine and basically swap it out. Or 3, probably the hardest one, is to take the head off, diagnose and see where the actual leak is from, and maybe replace the head gasket or what have you. So I guess it's up to you guys, you know. Comment below if you think I should, which one you think I should go for, and the most votes is the one that I'll do. Cheers.